Now, how do you find these wholesalers? There's two primary areas that I usually like going to. It's Facebook groups in your area, in your city. Just type in, wholesaling and San Antonio, right? Or flipping houses San Antonio, wherever it is. Just type in your city, wholesaling, flipping, real estate investing, use all those keywords with your city name and join all of those groups. The same on Bigger Pockets. Go on Bigger Pockets, search through the forum on your city and try to find all of those talks, all of those categories, all those topics that people are talking about, wholesaling properties, selling properties, and all of that. You want to make sure that you're in those circles, and then you're keeping an eye on like who's always posting properties for sale. Who's always talking about they're doing marketing, they're doing this, because these are the people you want to get to know. And then what you want to do is when you think you found somebody, you click on their name, go to their profile, and you want to make sure they're not associated with one of the big wholesale companies or something like that. And if they're not, then you start messaging them on a private message, letting them know who you are. I mean, it's really simple to understand that if people don't know who you are, they're not going to be able to sell to you. Seems kind of basic, right? But if they don't know who you are, they can't bring you the deal. So you got to approach them. You got to tell them, hey, I'm this type of buyer. Okay, so who are you looking for? Well, you're looking for somebody that wants to be more than just a wholesaler. Somebody that wants to be more than a wholesaler. Maybe they want to own rentals. They want to build homes. They want to flip houses. They're going to be more focused on understanding what a deal looks like rather than just trying to wholesale anything and everything that comes their way. They want to actually build relationships and grow a network with other investors that they can later work with, partner with, borrow from. You want somebody that's looking more long-term, somebody that's not strapped for cash right now. Somebody that's strapped for cash right now, they're always going to go for whoever pays the most, right? And if you're looking for deals and you're an actual investor, chances are that's not you. And how do you become their go-to buyer then? You found the wholesaler. You're like, hey, this is a killer wholesaler. He's doing great. He, meets all the criteria, answer all the questions correctly. How do I become their go-to buyer? Well, whenever they bring you a deal, you need to respond as soon as they bring you that deal. Even if it's over the phone and they've given you enough information, like we do this all the time. They gave us the information. And we're like, well, based on the information you gave me, yeah, we're in and we want it. That being said, that's contingent on me actually verifying that it is what you say it is, right? But when you look at it and they're presenting you the deal, you need to be quick and you need to be able to go look at the deal and make up your mind right then and there. Not be like, go look at the deal. Okay, well, yeah, let me think about it. No. In this market, it's in the moment. We do that all the time. We have wholesalers that are always calling us. Hey, I have a deal in this area. Here are the numbers. What do you think? All right. If those numbers are true, yeah, we're in. We know the area. We know everything. We're in. All right. When can I go see it? All right. Let me set up an appointment. Great. While they're doing that, I'm on the computer researching, running comps, everything. I get a good idea, making sure nothing changed. So when I go to the property, I go take a look at it. Okay, yeah, everything's what you said, or it's not. I got to modify this, got to do this, whatever. Here's my offer. Here's my contract. I'm ready to go. Just like that. That fast. And when you say you're ready to go, make sure you close. If you commit, follow through. Because that's the last thing. If you cannot follow through, they should not be bringing you deals because you are wasting their time. You understand? If you couldn't follow through, you should have just told them that. And we say that all the time. Lately we've shied away from any major renovation project just simply because we can't find the labor or people that are competent enough to handle it. So we have pulled away from those and people have brought us deals and we go take a look at it. It's like, this is more than what we want to do. Sorry, we're not interested. Right there on the spot. Go sell it off to somebody else. You understand? I don't want to waste your time. I want you to make your money. I don't want to be holding out just because I'm uncertain. No, I know my numbers. I know my prices. I know my profit. I know my numbers. So get to know your numbers so then the wholesalers can trust you and know that you always have their best interest and that you're always going to close and they can always count on you.